At the end of the day, I see participating in the RLF as part of a community, right? And it's a sense to be able to give back, to help others learn from what you've gone through and your experiences, not to take it with you in your little silo and let it die when you do, right? So to be able to, help people along, just to help them better understand. I think that's the biggest thing it is to me. And people that think that they don't have the time, they don't have the abilities or anything to add, just challenge yourself, right? Go out there and say, hey, I've got 30 minutes here, I've got an hour a week that I can spend. To put it in perspective, we spent 2 years, probably a year and a half, going through and actually culminating all this information into something that we could hand over to the team. But it wasn't a full-time job, right? It was a half-hour phone call every other week. It was, going off at night and bringing something back or writing a quick story or, editing or reviewing something that somebody else written or had wrote. So really just taking the time, right? Terry always talks about taking a stand for reliability. Why don't you take a stand for helping the community, right? Help somebody else out. I was given a lot of chances, right? So for me not to give somebody else a chance or to involve them or be inclusive and bring in diverse talent to different types of solutions, it's pretty important to me. So yeah. So anybody that's been involved in the consortium, if you know a person out there that's contributed and you want to reach out to them directly, they can put you in touch with the right people.